Hello, in today's video, we're going to have a think about wedding day receiving lines. This is something that's often really quite time consuming and quite difficult on a wedding day, in that a bride and groom will give a sort of time scale for their drinks reception, say an hour and a half, which we talked about in the previous video. And then all of a sudden, you're in the middle of taking the group photographs, half an hour, thinking you've got half an hour to go, and the catering company start calling people into dinner because they're having a receiving line. Um, I think it's really important that you actually allow time for a receiving line if you're going to have one. They can take an inordinate amount of time to do. It depends how huggy and kissy you are, really, but 20 minutes isn't unusual. Half an hour probably. It's a lovely way of talking to people and making sure that you do actually interact with everybody on your wedding day, but you do need to allow time for them. So normally they sort of go a bit before you go in for dinner. So as a general rule, you need to allow your time for your drinks reception. And additionally to that, you need to allow time for the receiving line. Don't necessarily think that the receiving line is going to be quick and easy. I think it's an issue for caterers also, in that they like to know when people are going to be sitting down for dinner, obviously, so that they can time the food. So it can be quite a complicated, sort of difficult sticking point if you're not aware of how long it takes. So if you have a receiving line, please allow time for it. Talk to your caterer, talk to your photographer, and just think about your timings carefully. Okay, bye bye.